This is about the Verbena bonariensis described by Linnaeus. See also below for a common misapplication of this taxon. Verbena bonariensis is a member of the Verbena family cultivated as a flowering annual or herbaceous perennial plant. In USA horticulture, it is also known by the ambiguous names purpletop and South American vervain. For the misapplication Brazilian verbena, see below. It is native to tropical South America where it grows throughout most of the warm regions, from Colombia and Brazil to Argentina and Chile. Description: Verbena bonariensis is a tall and slender-stemmed perennial. It can grow to 6 feet tall and can spread to 3 feet wide. At maturity, it will develop a woody base. Fragrant lavender to rose-purple flowers are in tight clusters located on terminal and axillary stems, blooming from midsummer until fall frost. The stem is square with very long internodes. Leaves are ovate to ovate lanceolate with a toothed margin and grow up to 4 inches long. Taxonomy and systematics: its specific epithet refers to Buenos Aires. Verbena bonariensis is a member of the South American vervains, which are polyploid and have more than 14 chromosomes. Among these, it is part of a lineage which might also include Verbena intermedia and seems well distant from Verbena literalis or Verbena montevidensis, for example. Sometimes, the name Verbena brasilensis, Brazilian verbena or Brazilian vervain, is found for this species. However, this is the result of a mix-up with V. brasilensis, the true Brazilian verbena, which has been erroneously referred to as V. bonariensis by several botanists. Subspecies: there are 2 named subspecies, Verbena bonariensis subsp. Bonariensis L. Verbena bonariensis subsp conglomerata Breek. Cultivation: V. bonariensis is cultivated as an ornamental plant for traditional and drought-tolerant and pollinator host gardens and parks. It is a perennial, hardy in USDA Zone 7 to 11. It can be grown as an annual in areas where it is not winter hardy and will bloom in the first year when grown from seed. Its long internodes give it a sparse appearance but allow it to intermingle and coexist with other plants. The flowers, which appear in mid to late summer, are very attractive to butterflies, and provide nectar for native bees and many beneficial garden insects. This species grows best in a well-drained soil. It prefers full sun to partial shade and needs regular moisture. It has a reputation of rarely being attacked by insect pests, but may be susceptible to powdery mildew. V. bonariensis is commonly grown from seed which germinates readily without pre-treatment, but can also be propagated from herbaceous stem cuttings. It has gained the Royal Horticultural Society's Award of Garden Merit. Invasive species: V. bonariensis self-seeds readily. This ability has raised concerns that it may become an invasive species in noxious weed in favorable habitats. It has naturalized in a number of southern United States. Presently, the plant is on the invasive species watch list for Washington state, naturalized in tropical and southern Africa, temperate Asia, Australia, New Zealand, the United States, the West Indies, Macaronesia and the Mascarene Islands. According to Pacific Island Ecosystems at Risk, it is considered a weed in Fiji, New Guinea and other South Pacific islands. Footnotes. References: Bailey, L. H. Verbena bonariensis. In Manual of Cultivated Plants, 840. Macmillan Publishing Company. ITIS, United States Department of Agriculture, Germplasm Resources Information Network, Verbena bonariensis. Version of January 21, 2007. Retrieved August 7, 2008. United States Department of Agriculture, GRIN, Verbena brasilensis. Version of February 7, 2008. Retrieved August 7, 2008. United States Department of Agriculture, 2008b, USDA Plants Profile, Verbena bonariensis. Retrieved August 7, 2008. Washington State Noxious Weed Control Board, Tall Verbena, Purpletop, Cluster Flower Vervain. Version of March 31, 2007. Retrieved August 7, 2008. Yuan, Yawu and Olmsted, Richard G. A species-level phylogenetic study of the Verbena complex indicates two independent intergeneric chloroplast transfers. Molecular phylogenetics and evolution 48, 1, 23 doi, 10.1016/J Impov. 2008.04.004. External links: Missouri Botanical Garden Kemper Center for Home Gardening, Verbena bonariensis, Grundy R. Duke's Phytochemical and Ethnobotanical Database, Pacific Island Ecosystems at Risk.